Hey guys, this is day 12 of a series that I started on my channel Tuning Data. In this series, I am solving 100 real business problems in SQL. So if you have not seen previous video, you can just click on the I button. You can watch all the previous videos there. In today's question, I have increased some complexity level. So I hope you will enjoy while solving this question today. So let's open your PG admin and learn and practice together. So let's start today's question now. So guys, this is my PG admin here and this is day 12 of 100 business question series in SQL. And the question for today is for the last 7 days, which is from 14th June 2025 to 20 June 2025, identify for each region the product with the highest sales growth rate compared to the previous 7 days, which is 7th June to 13th June. For that product, show the total sales in both periods, the growth rate as a percentage. Okay, so this is the question that we are going to solve today in this video. Let me show you the data that we are using today for this question. Like we have this table, sales table. I have inserted some values in this, and let me show you this table to you. Let's run this query here, and this is the sales table that we are going to use today for the question. In this table, we have these columns like sale ID, sale date, region, product, customer ID, quantity, and amount. Okay, so we have the data for this question. Now let's start writing queries and solve this question now. First, we are going to find out the sales growth rate for the products of the last 7 days as compared to previous 7 days. For that purpose, I am going to divide this table into two sections like previous 7 days and the last 7 days. So let's start writing queries here, which is select. I'm going to take here region and product. Then I will take here customer ID. Customer ID and product customer ID. Now we are going to use here case because you want to divide the data in previous and last weeks. Okay, so case when sale date between like the last week previous week is 7/6/2025. Okay, so let's give you the name between 2025 06/07 and 2025 06/13th. Okay, so this is then let's give it a name like previous. And now the another week is 14 to 20. So let's give the date here 14 and 20. The name is last 7 days. Okay, so end is periods. Okay, uh, now one more column we are going to take here, which is the amount column from sales table. Okay, and where like we want only 2 week data, that's why we are going to use here this filter sale date between 2025 06/07 and 2026 06/20. So this is the 2 week data here. Let's run this query now. So we have created this table which has been divided into two sections like previous last 7 days and previous 7 days and the last 7 days. Okay, now we are going to calculate the growth percentage, but before that we have to find out the total sales for both the periods here. Okay, so let's run this. Let's create a let's use cities and convert this into a temporary table here with uh, let's give you a sales period. Okay, is this query, and now so now take your select uh, hmm, like we have to find the sales growth. Okay, so let's take region, product, customer ID. Okay, and then take a sum of amount as total sales. Okay, so from we are going to take here this sale period and group it by region. Also take a period. Okay, don't take here this customer ID. Group it by region, product, and periods. Let's run this query. So this is the total sales for all the for last and previous month according to the region. Now we are going to, like this is we can divide this table into two tables. One is for last 7 days and one is for previous 7 days. That's why I'm going to use here joins. Okay, to find the sales growth for both the weeks. So let's convert this into a temporary table with name like product sales. Okay, product sales is this query and give a comma here. Now use select and we are going to take everything. Okay, not everything, let's take a region, product, and then total sales. Okay, so let's, because you want to use your joins, that's why I'm giving you a name like it's a PS1 for the let's take a previous month and PS2 for PS2 for last month. Okay, so first we are going to take region, product, and then we are going to take total sales. So PS1 dot total sales as uh, previous 7 days sales, and now we are going to take your PS2 dot total sales as last 7 days sales. Okay, then we are going to find out the growth percentage. Okay, so let's write the formula here, which is uh, last month current month sales, which current last 7 days sales, which is PS2 dot total sales, PS2 dot total sales minus PS1 dot total sales multiply by 100 and then divided by previous month sales, which is PS1 dot total sales. Okay, and round it using round function till 2 decimal is growth percentage. So all we are taking this from product sales table, product sales table is PS1, don't give your S, just write PS1, and then we are going to join here again product sales table, use your left join. Okay, so product sales table is PS2 on PS1 dot region is equal to PS2 dot region So we want the same region should be included here. Okay, so and then and ps1 dot product should be also same, ps2 dot product, and ps2 ps1 dot uh, periods is equal to previous. Don't take here this previous one. It's take a ps2. Okay, ps2 is last. Okay, and then where ps1 dot periods is equal to previous. Now let's run this query. So this is the growth percentage for both the periods for the last 7 days and the previous 7 days. Okay, as you can see here, we have calculated this growth percentage column here, which is showing for the each product in each region. Like in each region laptop, the growth percentage is 0. In the east region for the phone, the growth percentage is 100%. And for the north region laptop, the growth percentage is 33.33%. So this is the growth percentage we have calculated here. Now we want to show the top products for each region according to their growth percentage. Okay, so we are going to use your window function, which is rank. So let's convert this table into a temporary table using cities first, like growth percent. Let's give you a name like uh, sales growth. Yeah, sales growth. Is this query, give a comma here and close the bracket. Now we want to find the maximum growth using rank window function for the each region, each product. Okay, so let's use a select. We are going to take everything. Is there anything wrong? Yeah. Select and use rank here over partition by, which is region, and order by, which is growth percentage in descending order. Let's give you a name like growth rank from this table, which is sales growth. Let's run this query now. So we have given the growth rank for each product in each region according to their growth percentage. Now we want to find the top products in each region according to their growth percentage. So let's convert this into a temporary table, which is max growth as this table. And now we are going to write the final query to find the top products for each region. So user select and let's take everything. Yeah, everything from maximum growth where growth rank is equal to 1. Yeah, so let's run this query now. We get an error. Where is the error? Yes, let's run this query again. So we have solved this question, guys. This is the output for today's question. We have created this table which is showing the top products for each region and their sales for previous 7 days and the last 7 days, also showing their growth percentage for each product according to their last 7 days sales and the previous 7 days sales and their growth rank. If you want to show the growth rank, you can show. If you don't want, you can ignore this. Okay, so this is the output for today's question. I hope you enjoy while solving this question today. If you want to get all this data, you can go through the link given in the description of this video. You will get all this data on my GitHub profile. If you want to know something related to data analytics, SQL or Power BI or any career advice, just DM me on my LinkedIn profile. I will make sure that I will reply you there. So let's wrap up this question now. So I hope guys this video will really make an impact in your future analysis. If yes, please hit the like button, share with your friend and save for the future reference. I will meet you in the next video with the next question. Till then, goodbye.